Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: how to clean marble naturally. Marble is a beautiful and elegant stone, but it does require some special care. In this video, we'll show you eco-friendly solutions to keep your marble surfaces looking sparkling and pristine. So, let's get started. Step 1. Basic cleaning. For regular cleaning, start by mixing a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water in a spray bottle. Gently spray the solution onto the marble surface. Step 2. Gentle scrubbing. Next, take a soft bristle brush and gently scrub the surface. This will help remove any dirt or grime without scratching the marble. Step 3. Stain removal. Now, if you have any stains on your marble, baking soda is your best friend. Make a paste using baking soda and water. Step 4. Apply baking soda paste. Apply the paste to the stained area and cover it with a plastic wrap. Let it sit for 24 hours to allow the baking soda to absorb the stain. Scene 5. Drying. Once you've finished cleaning, use a clean towel to dry the surface thoroughly. This will prevent water spots and streaks. And there you have it, natural and eco-friendly ways to clean your marble surfaces. Remember, it's important to avoid acidic or abrasive cleaners as they can damage the marble. Stick to these gentle methods, and your marble will continue to shine for years to come.